Is using TikTok safe? First, I have a question. What is the world's population? The answer is 7.8 billion. You all will be like, what the hell does this have to do with this? As you can see from the Play Store and the App Store, TikTok has over 1 billion plus downloads. This means that over 1/7 of the world population uses TikTok. Now, being quarantined, I did something very terrible. I downloaded it. Yes, I did it. Just to observe how it functions. Even though I selected only one language as English, I was provided with Hindi and Marathi content also. How did TikTok know that I can understand these three languages? Spooky, right? So, concerned about my privacy, I used VPN. Those who don't know what VPN is, VPN is a virtual private network. Using VPN, I set my location to Germany. The content to be provided must be German. But I was shocked to see the same videos in the feed. So, as being quarantined and being lazy AF, I read the whole privacy policy of TikTok. Yeah, right, dumbass. The same thing which everyone just click OK without reading it. It clearly mentions that TikTok uses your IP, your SIM card, credit card, and all the financial details, and also your residential address. Even the tech giants like Google fairly take such data about us. But being just a video application, don't you think that it's too much for it? It's like very overkill for a video application to use your SIM card and all the credit card and financial details. So now some of you will be like, oh, fuck. What will such huge company would take from me? Let me tell you something. TikTok uses HTTP and not HTTPS, which means that it can be hacked easily. And also, TikTok clearly mentions that it doesn't take any responsibility for the data breach. So now all of your data is available over there, just a click away. So now, how does it feel that anyone can look through your phones, cameras, any system, any device at any private moment? And can also access all your banking information. Yeah, felt little awkward? You should be. Now it's a Chinese company and it's a mandatory rule in China to share all your data with the Chinese government. That's another major part that Chinese government will have all the data of world's 1/7 population. Feel strong, right? So your data can be hacked easily by anyone and the app doesn't take responsibility for that. Now, anyone can make you go bankrupt just in few minutes. How does that feel? It is suggested by many security consultants that if you're using TikTok on a device, you must never use any banking application on that same device. This is also one of the major reasons why TikTok is banned for all the government authorities. Also, TikTok has clearly stated that even if you delete your account, they can keep your data for as long as they want and collect information from all the social media account you link with it. Therefore, you must never use your Google to sign in with such applications or any applications. There you must always create a new account and set a new password. And also TikTok states that they can share this data to any third party applications and also collect all the information from your social media. Now it's your own choice whether to still keep using it, that thinking nothing will happen, even after knowing that how harmful it actually is and how it can ruin your life, or being aware and stop using it. I did my part, rest is your choice. If you wish to be more secure in digital world and wish to learn new things, subscribe. And if you don't care about your privacy and safety, I don't give a shit about it. So be smart, be safe. See you next time.